Welcome back. I still have a blueberry stuck in my teeth. All right, we're gonna do a 3-way train. Lizette says this is gonna be the best jump of my
you'll ever do
entire life. I don't know, the last one was pretty good, honestly. It's gonna be tough to beat. Laura, what happened to your camera?
All right, Keith, let's do this. Right here in front of me real quick.
That may have been partially my fault, but I gave her a new camera, so
All right, right about there.
Oh, wait, did
it
you
equals
knock
out.
your camera off your head?
Did Jen buy you a new camera yet? Jen? We are gonna have a
It's
talk.
not even a bracket.
Poor little Laura is getting squished.
Everybody out in the world, stop messing around. Calling all you freaks and nerds, you're just missing what you want. My brother's going down the drain, my sister's living the dream, but everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? Hey, in the moment when the world went blind, but everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time. My daddy was a gambling man with no strategy. Who gives a shit about him anymore? Guess we never really settled the score. Half the town screaming out in vain, the other half is fake, but everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone.
Ooh, look at that. Nice. Good job, Lizette.
I liked it.
Yeah, we were getting a little bit low. I was like, I got it.
Yeah, you saved it, man.
No worries, man.
Hey.
That was fun.
That was a good fruit loop. She went.
Sweet, yeah, I saw her. Yeah, that was fun, guys. Good job, guys. That was fun, guys.
That was really fun.